And you mentioned masks. Yeah, we're specifically at Atlantic Terminal here, where you can get these N95 high-quality masks. This is one of 11 different state-affiliated locations throughout the 5 boroughs where they are available. And in a briefing that took place within the last hour, state officials saying there's definitely a need.
Wear masks if we're outside, but I think if it's really bad, we're going to do mostly just stay inside.
Keisha Kane is one of dozens of child caregivers we encountered who said they're already planning to change what they do and how they do it now that an air quality health alert has been issued. It's meant to let people know they may be affected by what you see here, the thick, hazy smoke that shrouded Midwestern cities like Columbus, Ohio, and Indianapolis, Indiana. In fact, Chicago had the second most polluted air of all big cities in the world on Wednesday. The smoky haze is headed our way, according to federal, state, and local environmental leaders.
Depending on your sensitivity to poorer air quality conditions, you may want to adjust your outdoor activities.
Warnings like that have to be taken seriously.
Probably stand and take care of myself, take my asthma medication.
The city's health commissioner is making one more recommendation.
A high-quality mask, like an N95 or a KN95, is suggested, it's recommended, and we've distributed them to every single FDNY firehouse and every single NYPD precinct.
Governor Kathy Hochul said that at all major transit hubs, the high-quality masks are available. We checked here at Atlantic Terminal at the customer service booth. There they were. That helps now. Go get one. But with a warming planet, it's also time to prepare for smoky summers every year going forward, says a specialist in the effects of urban pollutants.
Maybe I do want to invest in either buying a commercial HEPA filter air cleaner or making my own. You know, you can make them out of a box fan and a good filter that you just tape.
Indeed, you can do that, and there are plenty of instructions online. He said the key is to make sure there is a strong seal, a strong taping around the filter. Now, within the last hour, Governor Kathy Hochul holding a briefing and pointed out that a series of 8 different state firefighters has been cycling out from New York to Canada to help fight these fires, and they are effective. But let's point this out. There are more than 3 dozen fires still burning. We may have to get used to these kinds of alerts happening throughout this summer and summers to come. Reporting live from outside Atlantic Terminal, I'm James Ford, Pix 11 News.